Unreal. The amount of disrespect. I'm just out here slaving away. I get it. Slaving away in front of the camera by day, building trucks by night. And this is what I get.
He gets no respect.
No respect. Now listen, some trucks have a history that may be older than my grandmother. Like the F-150, for example, which Ford has been making for like 65,000 years now. That's not the case with the Toyota Tundra. The Big T, as it's known for some folks, has been produced for 3 total generations, spanning just 22 short years. See, for years, Toyota hung out on the sidelines, watching all the other cool kids play the cool games in the United States when it came to the truck market. Guys like Ford and Chevy and Dodge continued to own that marketplace, producing trucks that Americans wanted to buy year after year after year. Toyota, much like a jealous stepbrother that didn't get to play with the drum set.
Yeah. Did you touch my drum set?
Nope.
It's just weird, because seems like someone definitely touched my drum set.
Yeah, that is weird. Because I didn't touch them.
Decided they wanted a piece of the market too, and thus the Tundra was born. Fun fact for you guys here, almost all auto manufacturers release their new pickups at places like the Detroit Auto Show or the Chicago Auto Show or tons of other like big automobile factory fest things, right? Toyota debuted the Tundra at, get this, the Indiana State Fair. Can you guys imagine going down to your local state fair, picking up a corn dog, maybe getting some mini donuts, you know, throw the old dart at the dartboard with the balloons to pop it to get your girlfriend the big like fluffy teddy bear, right? And then just like, bam, there's a brand new Toyota pickup just chilling on the side, just like, hey, cool, here's our new pickup, check it out, it's pretty neat. This introduction was most likely due to the fact that Toyota actually produces a number of their pickup trucks just down the road in Princeton, Indiana, making them one of the most American-built pickup trucks that are actually available today. By 2004, things for the old Tundra were starting to change a little bit though. Toyota was giving it more power with a V8 option. They were running the Tundra in NASCAR races all around the United States, and they were even partnering with some of the biggest movie firms to use the Tundra in action-packed films such as Terminator 3. Now listen, Terminator 3 is probably not your favorite Terminator movie. I know it's not mine, but you know, it's just the way it goes. I mean, it is the third one, and by that time, a series tends to get a little stale, you know. However, Toyota was so proud of the fact that they, you know, were in the Terminator movie that they actually produced a special edition T3 Tundra version of the truck because they were like, hey, our truck's in a movie, we should be about it. Well, there were several changes over the years and several notable accomplishments, including, you know, like moving a massive freaking space shuttle around Los Angeles with a Tundra in 2008. We're not here to talk about the past, are we? Give the people what they want, like what they came here for. We came here today to talk about the big dance, the grand reveal, the one and only 2022 Toyota Tundra. As of recently, Toyota's rolling right into their third generation of Tundra with some pretty wicked changes compared to the past generation of full-size Toyota trucks. For starters, Toyota's kicking the bucket on the old tried and true 5.7-liter V8 engine, and instead the sole engine option on the brand new Toyota Workhorse is a twin-turbo V6 that is rumored to make 437 horsepower and 583 pound-feet of torque. For comparison, this bests the F-150, whose EcoBoost engine makes just over 400 and 500 respectively. Additionally, the word on the street is that Toyota is also rumored to be offering this new Tundra with a hybrid option, you know, if those of you guys are maybe looking for something a little bit more green in your pickup truck. Fun fact for you guys here though, if this holds to be true and the Tundra does only come with a V6 twin-turbo option, it will be the only full-size pickup on the market that isn't offered with an available V8. Pairing this new twin Turbski V6 is a 10-speed automatic transmission, which is going to keep you in the power band across all gears, regardless if you're cruising on the highway or if you're towing the boat to the lake on the weekends. Switching gears here and looking at the suspension bits, Toyota touts that the new redesign of the Tundra will ditch that old leaf-sprung system that your granddad had in his square body, and instead they're replacing it with a coil-sprung multi-link suspension that should prove to make the ride quite a bit better and smoother and give you more control behind the wheel. Sources also say that an available air ride option may be available featuring electronic controlled dampeners and allowing you to truly dial in your truck's performance on or off road. As if that wasn't enough for you guys, Toyota is also rolling out the old barrel harder than a 7th inning stretch at the Milwaukee Brewers game by offering this new truck in 6 total trim packages. In true Toyota fashion, the 2022 Tundra will be offered in the SR and the SR5 and the Limited and of course the TRD Pro trim level. I wonder if they're going to put a little water on their TRD Pro Tundra.
Oh, you got your little water? Got your little water on your TRD Pro? Gonna use that witty bitty water in case it gets rain, you know? In case you drive into the river. You can climb up your little ladder to the top of your roof. Your TRD Pro. Nah, I'm just kidding. Cool car, bro.
Also available are the Platinum trims and of course the belle of the ball, the one and only 1794 edition. Now listen, I don't know about you guys, but I'm actually a big fan of the interiors on the 1794s. In a lot of ways, they remind me of like the high countries with the saddle brown interior and the wood trim and so on and so forth. While there hasn't been anything confirmed yet, all of the images we've seen of the 2022 Tundra feature some dramatic exterior styling with a big old grille in the front end, sleek, stylish LED headlights, and some sharp body lines that run along the lower side of the doors, the bumpers, and the bedside. Overall, I feel like it's a refreshing change and a breath of fresh air when it comes to the Tundra lineup. Toyota has always struggled to solidify their place in the market when you compare them to the full-size offerings of the big three, Ford, Chevy, and Ram. This new exterior styling, alternative engine option, and suspension revamp should prove to be a game changer for the old Toyota Motor Company, and I'm extremely excited to see one of these things in person. What do you guys think of the new Tundra? Would this be a truck you guys would pick up, or are you going to stick to the big three? Let us know down in the comment section below, and as always, be sure to like the video, share it with a friend, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, so we can keep making the awesome custom offsets content that you guys have come to love from us. With that, I'm Dustin with Custom Offsets. We'll see you guys on the next one.